stretch.
As far as you can go.
You should have brought the hanger.
Somebody's lying. Oh, I'll go get it.
Okay. You stretch and you bring it up.
To the first.
Right to the end, right here. And usually I say the hanger because the hanger is a good measurement. You know where you're gonna hang it? It's a good measurement as to how wide it can be. I should have brought the hanger with me.
She went to get it.
Is it
And
on?
then
Oh. I was on.
you come again,
No, it's on. Oh, okay.
to the end. And the end should be, this end should be facing that way. And then all this that's down here, you pick up and fold it forward.
Boy, have I had it wrong. I have had it so wrong, like an accordion.
So that this end is back here. Now, the reason for that is then when you hang it, when you're going to, this is what I mean about, see?
Perfect.
This is your measurement.
Like 10, like you're.
Okay.